So there's a story behind this. This is the remains of my revolver. This is probably the best flying plane I've ever owned. So I had problems, as I said in my build video, with the hinges on the tail feathers staying together. Like the wood kept pulling out, and you know, they kept popping off and everything. And this is so soft, it's like paper. I mean, I know it's balsa wood, but I mean, it's extremely soft and flaky. And what it's doing is the glue is staying on the hinges and it's pulling out. Now, I didn't do a great job of gluing the hinges in. I'll take some responsibility for this. But here's what happened. I put AS3X on the plane, and I shouldn't have done it. And what happened is I was in a, high-speed dive, as you can see in the video, I hope. I'm going to show the video right now. Oh, shit, I forgot to turn that off. Hopefully you can see the plane oscillating really bad with the AS3X. What happened is that loosened up all these tail feather hinges, and I lost my elevator. Okay, unfortunately I did not get video of this, but I loosened up the hinges in my tail feathers. I lost my elevator, and I tried to get it down, and I couldn't do it. It crashed on me, which totally sucks. I've already got a new one. It came in a couple days, so I'm gonna build that one here shortly. But this one, honestly, I can fix this. So I may fix it, and I may not. I don't know. I may just keep it for spare parts. But really, the shining star, or the silver lining to this whole experience, is that landing gear. The nose was the first thing that hit, and then that right hand landing gear. And it hit hard. It broke that right to pieces. But it did not break the bottom of the plane. It did not break that firewall. Now, I guarantee you, if you had a hard landing like that, this plane should be busted up really bad right there. But it's not at all. It's not busted at all. I mean, I need new landing gear, but other than that, it's fine. So that is proven to work. So I'm going to show a better video of that here in this build video. And I also have something else really interesting coming out. I've got I don't know if you call it a giant scale, but I think it's got like an 86-inch wingspan, something like that. PT-19 with a 35-year-old Sato motor on it. I'm hoping to get that up this weekend. That thing is so cool. So stay tuned and watch the new maiden flight of the Revolver yet again. And on this new Revolver, like I said, lessons learned. I'm putting in pin hinges. The control horns are excellent from Dubrow, so I'm gonna run with that same style. I am going to add a glow plug igniter, onboard glow plug igniter, so that I can run air at low idle, make the landings a little bit easier and the motor more reliable. Again, the same landing gear build, so it'll be a better flying plane. Lessons learned, right? Anyway, stay tuned, check out the new stuff. Thanks for watching. Oh shit, I forgot to turn that off.
You better slow down.
Yeah, I know it.
That'll rip your wings off. AS3 something.
AS3X is on. I think I'm gonna land it and fix it. Too high and too fast.
It'll be way too fast.
Yeah. All right. Don't stall, baby. That was not good.
Hey, you still got it?
Which way?
Get it lower and slower.
That's the problem. Getting it slow is the problem.
No, I know, but you'll never do it if you're turning your base blade on that height.
See, she's still too fast. No!
Motor on.
Shit. Trying to cut it so it wouldn't hit the bushes, you know?